What is the difference between turbocharger and supercharger? The earliest superchargers were all driven by power taken from the crankshaft, typically by a gear, belt, or a chain. A turbocharger, on the other hand, is simply a supercharger that is powered inside by a turbine in the exhaust stream. The main difference between these devices is that turbocharger exhaust heat from the exhaust gases as a power source, but supercharger uses a part of the engine power to run. Define cross-flow scavenging. In cross-flow scavenging, or simply cross scavenging, the incoming air is directed upward, pushing the exhaust gases before it. The exhaust gases then travel down and out of the exhaust ports. However, this kind of system is obsolete now. They are not in use. The answer to this question would be: in cross-flow scavenging, the inlet port and the outlet port is situated in the opposite sides in the engine cylinder. This type of scavenging is used in two-stroke engines.